Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily block all the pop-ups on Google Chrome browser. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So first of all, open up the Google Chrome browser on your phone, and you can follow the exact same steps if you're on an iPhone or an Android as well. Now you'll have to tap on those three dots on the bottom right corner and then tap on settings icon to open up the settings of your Google Chrome browser. Now you'll have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'll be able to find an option of content settings in the this section. You'll have to tap on content settings, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on block pop-ups, that is on the top, and by default it will be turned off. And if you want to block all the pop-ups on your Chrome browser, you'll have to simply toggle this option on, and now you'll be able to block all the pop-ups, and you will not any pop-up will not show whenever you are browsing on your phone on Chrome browser. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.